I met with an accident. I'm on a threshold and I'm losing kind of all my confidence. बहुत टाइम हो गया था, सोचा एक अपडेट वीडियो बना लेता हूँ. It's been long that video is out. On 5th of November, something happened with me. I met with an accident and it led to fracture, which initially in the x-ray it was very normal, so I was like pretty chilled, sorting a lot of my plans for my birthday, for New Year's, but everything just went to drains when I came back to Bombay and I got my MRI done. There are like 2 fractures. One is like a little minor one and one was a little tricky one, which my doctor told me that it will take around 3-4 months also. And it's just been 1 month, and trust me, it's terrifying to hold this, to do everything with one hand. It is difficult. And suddenly after all of this, I just went on a threshold and then I just kept eating, and now I can't work out and I have put on crazy amount of weight. Stress eating ho gaya bahut sara. Birthday was also not as what I wanted because I didn't want to be in Bombay. I wanted to be in Vrindavan. पर ये हाथ लेके मैं नहीं जा सकता था. New Year's also I wanted to start my 2026 in Vrindavan. पर अटक गया यहाँ पे with this bunny boy. पर इन सब में मैंने एक चीज़ सीखी, which is Krishna never leaves you. Krishna is always standing with me, sorting out everything for me. और यही नहीं, इसमें I realize a lot of strength that he has given me, which is within me. And पता नहीं अब dieting का क्या करूँ. Whoever knows me, whoever has seen me, they must know that looking at this face they'll understand. Okay, हाँ double chin लग रहा है. मैं क्या ही बात कर रहा हूँ. In short, मैं मोटा हो गया हूँ. And it has been a nightmare for me because my body issues have been there since I was a child. I have been a fat child, and then now after losing weight and now no moment of workout, I can't even walk much because I can't let this thing get sweaty. Just सोचा just एक वीडियो बना लेता हूँ because it's been crazy amount of time that I've shot also, क्योंकि मुझ में confidence ही नहीं है. I've lost all my confidence because the moment I turn fat, I lose my confidence. I can't even wear lenses because एक हाथ से I can't wash my lenses. तो चश्मे के साथ तो it's a worst nightmare for me. I'm just making this so that take care of yourself. Pray to Krishna and let him guide you. These are just some karmas which I am facing, this life, that life, whichever lives you say. But the best part is that Radharani has held me always. Probably बड़ा सा प्रारब्ध भगवान ने घटाया इसमें. And इस बीच क्या होता है? The people who have seen me few months back in my leaner version, वो मुझे मिलने के बाद बोलते हैं, ओ तू मोटा हो गया है, तूने वज़न बढ़ा लिया है. I know I have put on weight, but somebody who's going through this thing, or whoever is putting on weight, we should ideally avoid asking them this question, which obviously makes them go through much more nonsense in their head. It is total crash down of their confidence. With one arm, I never realized that basic things भी इतनी difficult लगती है. मतलब सुबह नहाना also gets so difficult. मतलब trust me, I love taking shower, but अब मुझे सुबह ना जान पे आती है. We even go and take shower. I do take shower every day, and now genuinely I've started missing working out. I miss running. I miss lifting weights. I don't know when I'll be able to lift weights again because of this, but yeah. So it's nothing, just a life update. Hope your New Year goes fantastic. Hare Krishna.